This is the tutorial for Netsky 2 by Daniel Lin. If you have already learned Netsky 1, I suggest you watch my tutorial entirely because Netsky 2 is different from Netsky 1 because there's a small variation in the opener that will really affect your learning experience. Now let's get down to the tutorial. Start off by holding the deck in an elevated dealer's grip like this. And now break the deck into a Z grip. Drop this packet into your left hand and reach your thumb at this corner, this short end, and break the packet by pushing your thumbs in the opposite directions. In Netsky 1, you place this corner right in between your thumb here, but you're not going to do this, but instead you're going to place it near the top end of your thumb. And now strip this center packet out with your thumb and ring finger, holding it with the corners like so. Now with your left hand, you're going to pull your 3 fingers so this packet pops out like so, and it's balanced on your 3 fingers. Strip this packet out between your thumb and ring finger, and you're going to basically turn this packet, this 2 of hearts packet, slightly, hinging it between your thumb and ring finger like so by loosening the grip, and at the same time push this packet that's in your left hand on top around your right index so it lands like so, and you're holding it, the packet, in your right hand. Now you're going to reach this end with your middle and ring and your pinky at the bottom, and you're going to rotate this packet about your middle finger, your right middle finger, like so. Pivoting it about, and now you're holding the 2 packets in your left hand like so, in a Charlotte cut kind of position. Now this packet in your right hand, you're going to place your thumb at the back and re-grip the bottom end from the back with your middle and thumb like so. So you're holding the packet with your middle, pinky and thumb, and move this packet forward so it swipes across this bottom packet, this 2 of hearts packet, and close this packet. Now you're holding the packet with your 2 fingers on top and your single index and thumb at the bottom. Now you're in this position, as you can see. Now here comes the important part. The top packet, this one, is actually higher than this one, this center one, and you can see it forms a slight triangle, kind of like a triangle. Again, starting from the beginning, breaking the packet in Z grip, and now stripping the packet out. So what you're doing is, after you have flipped this packet over, you get to the ending part, which is the important part. This top packet is basically higher than the center packet in between, and place your pinky at the bottom of this packet and your thumb at the top of this packet, your left thumb, and place your right index right over here. So you're holding it with your pinky and index, the packet that's in between, and your thumb is pushing it downwards, your left thumb. So you're in this position. Now you're going to push your left index packet down. You're going to push this packet down with your index, and at the same time push your thumb and middle together so it closes. Now I'll go over the ending again, but in a flow. Okay, so once you have done the starting portion and you're in this last portion with your 3 packets, you're going to re-grip this center packet with your right pinky and index and push this left packet down and clap it close. I'll do it a side angle view too.